So first I open a tab on this WhatsApp PC. Now I need to click on status. Now again click on this plus icon. Then select photos and videos. Otherwise, for to post only text, select number 2. So I don't need. I click on photos and videos. Okay, if I select these photos, then click on open. Then I want to write anything on here. Write this one. Click on happy Ramadan. Okay, this is good. Now I keep it whole at the last. Okay, this is perfect. Now if I want to add any song, so I don't need anything on here. So now I click on just send. Okay, you can see it's already pushed. Now time. So this is a method how you can post status on desktop PC. Thanks for watching.